my grandfather.
Hey everybody, so today we're going to open a package. These are supposed to be mulberry bush trees. We ordered them from Amazon. These are replacements because the first ones we ordered, well, one was basically dead. The other one was dying and had only a few leaves. We'd had good luck with the trees we'd ordered, so we ordered these, but they're from Amazon. The other one was from a company called TY. The first ones, it looked like they might have been healthy when they put them in, but they'd actually been in containment like this for about 7 days, which, like when we ordered the trees, they were here the next day. So it might not be the actual plants that's so bad, it's the fact that they put them in a box like this, and you'll see in a minute. So this is basically sitting in this box for 7 days while it ships. And I'll show you exactly what, if it's packed like the last one, what the issue is going to be. Like I said before, I tried to get a refund. They offered us a free replacement. So we're going to see how the replacement is, and if it's as bad as the first ones, we're just going to try to get a refund. Okay. So, got to be careful opening. Here's going to be your right now from just from looking. So here's these are better than what we got last time. So, because these have leaves on them that are good.
Wow, that's nice.
And these
so
actually.
Far.
So we'll be very careful taking them out. The leaves are very nice.
And then they put something
and
like
this
that?
time, they didn't do this last time. Last time they were in 2 little plastic containers. Like you see in flowers. Last time they were in 2 plastic containers. The soil was very, very dry. This time, they packed them in the plastic containers. First off, I'll tell you, these plastic containers are considerably larger than the ones we had last time. They were about this 2 inches tall and 1 inch wide. So they taped this on there, so this is difficult. The leaves are still fresh. Here's the other thing. The leaves, I just knocked it off.
They're fresh.
But
the leaves are still fresh.
They locked this in. They taped it, and the soil is wet. Last time the soil was very, very dry.
Very dry. Yes,
and they were dying.
It's not packed like that.
They were very dry. So, this packaging was the same, but this here, and we didn't make a video on the last
wet?
one. The soil's still wet.
Wow.
It's ready to be repotted.
And
it is a better soil.
Yes. Last time is so
last
dry.
time, I'd seen pictures, and from what I'd seen on these when I ordered them, you were kind of hit and miss. You would either get a really good one, or you'd get what we got last time. And I thought, well, you know, they're going to send us a free replacement, so we'll see. And if the replacement's good, we won't have to worry about getting a refund. So I'm trying to be very careful because she'll repot these, or maybe she'll plant them directly. I don't know.
No, I think I repot and take care first.
But I can tell you, here we go, the first one. It looks in very good shape. The plant itself is in good shape. It's good soil in there. It's still wet, moist.
Still moist.
And this one is even better. It's taller. It's got more leaves. The last one, like I said, it was drying out.
And there's no leaves.
And the one had a few leaves, but they were dying. The other one had no leaves at all. They were all inside the box. So, actually, I'm going to give this kind of a good rating on this one.
Yes, it's 100%.
Mulberry plants. These are the first 2 we got. This one, as you see, it's got dead spots all over it. This one, also dead spots all over it, parts falling off of it. So we ordered the replacements, and these are the replacements that came. And as you can see, they are in a lot better shape. So that's why we decided to see what they would give us as far as replacements. These have been repotted. And they sent them to us, and she's happy with the replacements, so we don't have to ask for a refund. And that's the good thing with the guarantee that you got with Amazon. So these, last year, I don't know if you saw our video, we ordered mulberry bushes, trees, and they sent us some, and we thought they were going to die, so we sent a letter, and they sent us 2 more. The 2 that we thought were going to die are growing, but they're growing slow. These are the 2 that we got for free, and in less than a year, they've probably doubled size. They were like this when we got them, and now they're, I'd say, probably about 2 foot, maybe 2.5 foot tall, both of them. We had to originally, as you see this, we had to put a net around them because we have a rabbit that thinks they want to eat everything, and it will chew them off. So at the bottom, at the roots, we have netting. It keeps the animals out of it. Squirrels and rabbits. Squirrels like to eat the fruit stuff, and rabbits like to eat the other stuff. But we just want to give you guys an update, because I know a lot of people, they say when you order online, they're afraid they're not going to live. And like I said, we ordered the first ones. We thought they were going to die too, so we sent them a letter, because they looked like they were dead. But they ended up not dying, so we got 2 areas that we got. There's one here and one right there that we thought were going to die. As you can see, they're growing. They're just growing a lot slower when we planted them. But they are still alive. We actually got replacements for these for free because we thought they were going to die. There's the other one. You've got the netting to keep the rabbit out of it. But they are still alive, and they are starting to grow. They're just slower than the other ones.